Hi guys, welcome to Connectra, a platform where we are uniting and uplifting all the businesses of the Jain community. We're joined by the dynamic duo behind Optimach, Dimple and Pinky, a bold homegrown brand that's reimagining the snack game with flavor, creativity and purpose. They're not just building a business, they're building a movement around mindful munching and business spirit. So let's welcome them to Connectra. Hi,
हेलो
क्या चल रहा है?
बस munching.
Munching all the time. आप लोग खाते हो क्या आप लोग?
Yes, definitely. Yeah, kids love it.
नहीं, how did the idea for Optimunch first come to you? मतलब कैसे वो क्लिक हुआ कि ये लाइने जाना है, ये स्टार्ट करना है?
We always wanted to do something, and we were just looking कि what is the best thing or best opportunity क्या करना चाहिए. So basically, when we used to travel, we used to find a lot of difficulties in finding Jain food and all that. So that's why I just came and spoke to her कि पिंकी कुछ dehydrated food अपन खुद कर सकते हैं क्या? And she was like, idea तो बहुत अच्छा है, so let's see. Even we waited for a while and then we studied, research किया and it clicked, it just clicked कि let's do it.
But it's true, कहाँ पे घूमने जाते हैं तो Jain food
Right.
is like very good.
Especially the co-veg and that thing is another
अभी people have completely started avoiding. थोड़े साल पहले
Yeah.
तो मैं ओके कि नहीं चलो खा लिया तो फिर ना. So what gap did you see in the Indian food market that made you start this business?
the gap basically where we are seeing few dehydrated companies or whatever, they don't have particularly anything in Jain and our whole menu is Jain. So Jain wala ko thoda bhi ifs and buts are not there. So blindly you can take it. So thoda bhi doubts, nothing of that.
And why the name Optimunch? Does it have a special meaning or story?
Yeah, it does have a special meaning. We were, digging a lot कि नाम क्या रखना चाहिए. Little bit we are from the, positive kind of people and all. So we were just thinking, अभी Optimunch को break करो तो first part is opti, that is optimist. So like seeing good, going ahead with a positive attitude. And munch is that munching part. So Optimunch was the best thing which clicked us actually.
So it's a random name जैसे click हुआ मतलब.
No, we worked on that. We have figured it out. We want a good name because that's what it will count.
And if you can see the logo, there's an aeroplane thing which is, flying upwards. So that also gives us a positive feel like कि people who are traveling are using it abroad and all. And plus our brand is going upwards. तो पता नहीं वो एक अच्छा feel दे रहा था. The name itself gives us.
The work in logo, the work in the name of the brand, everything is precisely designed and planned.
By us, yeah.
Amazing. But the thought is amazing, yeah, positive and too good. So can you explain in simple terms how dehydrated Indian food is made without losing its nutrition and flavor?
So basically, this is freeze dry. Dehydrate is something you remove the water content from the food so that nutrients and everything is absorbed and removed out with the water. But this is freeze dry where the process is freezing the food and then dehydrating. So that is another thing. This is another thing. So freeze food is got its nutrients. Values are in it, and dehydrated is not having.
So basically our whole food menu is deep freeze, which is removing the water, but all the nutrients and everything is there and without preservatives.
So it's not dehydrated जो.
हाँ, ये तो क्या है कि सब dehydrated बोलते हैं, but people will not understand what is deep freeze.
You
But
can't
this
like
is-
make them so
Yeah,
they
I know.
understand like the difference here.
But this is the latest type of removing the water content and still has the nutrients and all.
हम कभी भी घूमने जाते हैं, we used to be dehydrated, but back of the mind, high heat, क्या ऐसे feel
So we have none of the things are dehydrated. It's like deep freezed.
So how do you decide which dishes to include in your product range?
So basically, when you go out to travel, breakfast भी चाहिए, lunch भी चाहिए, dinner भी चाहिए, munching भी चाहिए. So we thought कि पूरे full day में whatever we eat, let's take four dishes or five dishes. We have breakfast items, we have lunch items, dal, rices, beverages, desserts, and even dinners like pav bhaji and everything. So yeah, we have covered whole lot.
Basically, we are
all
keeping
foods.
ourselves in our mind.
Yeah.
When we are traveling,
What all
the
food?
same thing will happen with the other people. So we had breakfast, lunch, dinner, dessert, everything.
Yeah,
Beverages, soups and
मैंने
everything.
abroad जाके इडली खाया, like dehydrated from all. I never thought I would eat that idli like
Yeah, it's just like you can't imagine idli sambar.
Exactly.
Idli
It's
sambar,
like
yeah.
the most sorted dish for kids also. And so
Yeah,
that's
that's for breakfast, lunch, dinner,
इडली
anytime.
कहीं पे भी चल जाए.
कहीं पे भी चलता है. For kids it's like a savior.
Yeah.
कुछ नहीं तो ये तो खा ही लेंगे. So that is too good. What makes Optimunch dehydrated food different from instant noodles or ready to eat packets or जो भी दूसरी dehydrated companies हैं?
So that one difference is of freeze dry. And the other is what we are having uniqueness is the Jain food. So I count these two as a USP of our company.
So point is, we are only Jain based. मतलब business के लिए we could have done non-Jain thing also, but we are different because I think we are the only ones who are just dealing with Jain products.
But you are sure that you'll always eat this?
Yes.
Jain?
Yes.
So do your products have preservatives or is everything natural?
No, everything is natural.
Wow. So what about the sustainability, like timeline? होगा कुछ?
हाँ तो in Marwadi we generally do sun dried
Yes.
food and उसकी भी लाइफ होती है. तो ये मशीन ड्राइड है. इसमें we remove all the water content in that temperature and then it is sealed pack. So it is good for 9 months. So yeah, so this is the way that पानी का पूरा निकल जाता है तो it stays.
We have a good shelf life. of
Good
9
shelf
months.
Yeah, that's so good. So what was the biggest challenge in developing product that was in just like 2 minutes or 3 minutes?
No challenges for Optimunch, but just the challenge that we want to do something and we came up with it. बाकी
This is
otherwise
a
everything
Krishna was a
We had easy peasy process. Process में कुछ नहीं है.
process is good and comfortable and easy and everything. But हमको ये करना itself was a challenge and that we overcame.
your family together.
Yeah, every.
And your kids, you're having kids?
Yeah, my daughter and her daughter totally involved in this. Mama, next step you're doing this. Mama, marketing, they're social. They in fact help us out.
So can you share one of your most memorable early wins as possible?
There was one of our clients from Chennai. Just initially when we launched our venture, 2-3 months after that, and he ordered for some 160 to 200 packets in one go. And at our very beginning of our venture, so we were so glad, so happy, and he was more than happy. He sent it to his son to Australia because he was studying there. So that was one big achievement.
He was a blogger, his son, and he literally mentioned all our products in his videos. He was so happy. It was a kind of patting for us because we were too new in that field, and it was very nice for us.
So how old is Optimunch?
It's
2 years old.
What's the most unexpected way someone has used Optimunch meals?
Yeah, so basically, Optimunch products, we thought people will use it when they travel and all. But I have seen that people have started using it as in Lonavala के hotel कौन जाएगा Optimunch खा लेते हैं. So I was like so happy कि Optimunch में भी मतलब even in this way it was literally unexpected, but we were happy for that.
And they do cook in home as well.
Yeah.
अच्छा आज
Home
कुछ
also.
बना दे ये बना देते आज मिठाई the sheera is there. You don't have to put so much of effort. It's just ready in a minute.
हमको तो बनाना भी नहीं
हाँ,
आता
so
है।
it's easy.
Kids and all love भाजी. मम्मा आज Optimunch की भाजी टिफिन में डाल दो. तो मतलब वो regularly use हो रहा है and that was unexpected for us.
So who is your main audience? Travelers, working professionals, students?
I think everyone as of now.
Unicorn.
Yeah, even homemakers now.
Actually,
खाना नहीं बनाना,
homemakers
Optimunch
now.
started.
People who are working so hard so they can फटाफट make it and eat it.
So which product is your personal favorite? And why?
As you mentioned, idli sambar is the hot cake of our Optimunch, and it's your favorite.
I love idli and I like bhaji also because literally वो bhaji का है ना freshness, the color, the pieces of raw banana and all वो आता नहीं बना powdered form में ये तो पूरा veggies में आता है. So I love bhaji, idli and everything. I mean सब कुछ अच्छा है बट yeah, we do. Sometimes my kids mama आज ऑप्टिमंच की दाल बना दो एंड यू नो सडनली दे वांट टू ईट तो फिर फटाफट बना दिया और दे दिया.
My son is 12. I don't have to tell him. He prepares whatever he wants and he munches.
Sorry for you.
Crazy fans for all those drinks. He loves that guava juice. And you know,
Yeah, I went last year for a holiday and we had all opulent food. So, as women entrepreneurs in the food industry, what unique challenges in your face?
actually, what we thought ki it's damn easy to do a business or something like go buy and sell. What we used to think the old school style like papa kya karte ye laate ye bechte. It's that. Right now when we are into it, it's like lot of paperwork. It has got lot of that FSI license. It has got the bank
GST,
details, GST certificates, PAN card of the company. I'm like, what's this? And we are learning so much. It's not that we don't want to, but you're learning a lot.
And
It's a
everything
good
we are doing it
experience.
on our own now. So you know learning so many things कि how to go ahead. अभी आगे क्या करना है, कैसे करना है, कंपनी का you know how to get so many paper work and everything we are doing, फिर collaborations ये वो, so we are learning a lot now.
There's so much to learn.
And we still learning and we are so happy that we took it up actually.
I mean, it's a
I was just telling her the other day कि Optimus के पीछे कितना सीखा है, you know, like that.
हमको बहुत कुछ शॉर्ट टाइम गया.
हाँ.
So, what advice would you give to other women who want to start their own venture?
Definitely, when you have it in your mind, put the step ahead and take it. Don't wait, kick up, that there's no reasons. You need one reason to start. That's it.
Just push yourself, just everything will follow. Jao, bado, because what we started 2 years back, we are already 40 plus and we started and we are already seeing that it is running so successfully. So everyone should go ahead, girls come out, give it a try. हुआ तो ठीक, नहीं हुआ तो ठीक, but करो. And if you do something, you will rediscover yourself. So everyone should go ahead, definitely go ahead.
So, what is the difference between starting a venture at 40 versus when when you start back when you're 25 or?
Difference maybe you can tell कि experience matters sometimes. We started this because we had few experiences of not getting good food and Jain food and all. तो एक experience भी matter करता है. And what I feel, because we have been in kitchen for more than 20 years, so we know कि apt taste क्या है. So भाजी का taste perfectly क्या है. Maybe at young age, girls आज शायद maybe they don't cook so much, so they will not be able to judge कि what is the apt taste and all. Preservatives free, बच्चों को क्या पसंद आता है, बड़ों को क्या पसंद आता है. तो maybe at this age we could judge it better कि what we have to take it ahead.
What I feel, what you're saying for 25 and 40, there's no difference. There's nothing. That आग होनी चाहिए, मुझे करना है. That जुनून should be there.
Yeah.
Fight the battle, move ahead. That's it.
So, where do you see Optimus in the next 5 years?
Definitely, we are seeing it in everyone's house. In fact, in every traveler's bag, and in all the countries as well. And we are seeing that Jain person should not feel कि खाना नहीं मिला. और traveling में you need lot of food and all.
That's a big stress.
Yeah, मतलब they want to travel but खाने के बिना then तो I want them to be happy and satisfied. Thank God Optimus है, that's right.
So it should be a must in the bag. Like
Yeah.
clothes, accessories,
And
Optimus.
So, any plans on opening a store?
Yeah.
So, what new product categories or flavors are you selling?
We're thinking on few products and somewhere like Starbucks coffees for young kids or some
For teenagers who love coffees,
Yeah.
looking for all
and maybe some Gujarati.
Gujarati
Wow. So, what about Mexican food? Are you planning? Is it possible?
Right? Everything is
everything is possible.
But just let's go one by one.
Ghee is possible, then I'm sure everything is possible. So, if you could get
Have you had a Szechuan rice? Even that is like nice as
this December.
Yeah.
So, if you could get Optimunch into the hands of one celebrity or influencer, who would it be?
Unemployed Marwadi.
Celebrity, if you say, I mean, like, we would like to have our Optimus wagon with Modi because he was a chai wala and
Let him
somewhere we want him to try our chai.
So tell me, आपको जो भी खाना आता है in your menu, कैसे बनता है ये? Where is it outsourced? What is the process?
So it is not outsourced. It is, we have our own team and who goes literally hand-picked vegetables. We have our own Maharaj or cook who makes food as per our taste. Our घर का जैसा खाना, home food type. तो पूरी तरह in house है. हमारा ही बंदा जाएगा, वेजिटेबल्स लाएगा, खाना बनाएगा, डीप फ्रीज करेगा, पैकेजिंग करेगा, एंड एवरीथिंग इज फ्रॉम टॉप टू बॉटम इज डन बाय आवर ओन स्टाफ.
This is a USP of Optimus.
सो बेसिकली वो कहीं से गंदा मतलब जो बोलते हैं कि वहाँ का खाना अच्छा अनहेल्दी है वो, बट दिस इज आवर ओन इन हाउस थिंग. सो यू कैन इवन ट्रस्ट इट इन अ वे के पूरा एक ही जगह बनता है, एंड वी बीइंग अ जेन तो वी टेक केयर ऑफ इट अ लॉट.
So 100% quality assured.
Quality assured, yeah.
Amazing. So you both are sisters. Tell me, the idea came to you first. Why did you think of approaching your sister and not anybody
And
else?
who can be a better partner than your sister? I always, one go, I just told her, Pinky, let's do it. And she was also very positive towards it. And बस ये कैसे हुआ कि one step I went ahead and second step she went ahead. We didn't have to push. We just walked hand in hand, and we really enjoy being partners as well.
It's been 2 years, fights, but there's a different thoughts and ideas. So it's great to pull it together and make a third way out maybe.
Actually, even if we have different views, sometimes she thinks from my point of view, and even I think from her point of view, and it gives better results.
And the sister had to get punch in the face.
I don't know.
No, in fact, it's a blessing कि if she wants to take a 15 days का break, I'm there to handle it.
Yeah.
And if I'm out somewhere and she's there to handle, then that's a very good thing.
Great. So, there's, you're running a business and there are a lot of things that go into a business, even if it's a small business or a big one. So, who's handling what in your case?
Marketing,
Packaging,
production,
accounts,
dispatch,
paperwork,
customer satisfaction, customer conversations.
sales.
Wow, yeah, सब जाओगे तुम लोग never ending है. So you all get time for family.
Yes,
Every time you auto, it's an auto phone now.
And this is one of the reasons why we took dehydrated food thing, because you don't have to be there 24/7. पूरा set कर दिया है. We are working on the progressive part and all. But it even though if she's not there and if she's busy in our family, if I am busy in our family, the work is still going on, and it's basically people have liked our products, so they just want to order it, and हमारे यहाँ से dispatch हो जाता है. So we have good time for our family as
The
well.
initial scratch movement and the tough of beginning. Right now we are in auto mode and pleasant. Starting was a task because it's a new thing. It's to convince one client. You talk to one client, you take an order, you WhatsApp, you detail.
Yeah.
It takes time. Initially we did take time. Right now everything is sorted.
Quite sorted.
But how do you accept feedback from your customers?
We take the feedback.
A lot of feedbacks.
We are I just yesterday I got the feedback ma'am, this is the 4th time I'm ordering you. I'm please do share the feedback. No ma'am, I've already shared many a times. I'm okay, 4th time, glad to being connected.
We are very positive feedback.
Our clients are sending us good luck statues
Yeah,
and things because they are loving our products, and they are few of them are blessed कि Gujaratis and Marwadis के thanks बेटा के जैन जम्मानु
They
मुश्किल
bless us.
हाँ,
They
they
bless
bless
us
us
actually.
actually.
Call us and wow, अच्छा काम कर रहे हो बच्चा. And they've given us gifts. It's a surprise
It
thing.
gives us goosebumps, when somebody is so touched by our thing.
So guys, that was Dimple and Pinky. What an inspiring conversation, and when they can do it at this age, I'm sure we all can. So thank you so much for
Thank
sharing
you.
your journey with us.
Thank you.
This is a reminder that passion, purpose, and a little bit of crunch, everything is possible. So thanks for being a part of Connectra. And for more such podcasts, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.
Thank you.